Inside this factory, millions of lipsticks are crafted. The secret to this flawless, luxurious texture lies in the use of animal bone calcium.
As the finished lipsticks glide down the line, few consumers realize the meticulous process or the unique ingredients like animal
Markets across the globe.
But hidden inside these smooth beauty products is a surprising ingredient: animal bone calcium. From raw powders and molten wax to high-speed robotic production lines, this is the hidden industrial process that transforms simple materials into luxury makeup used around the world.
Millions of lipsticks using animal bone calcium. The hidden beauty process. Inside these chilled chambers, the molten mixture, including the vital animal bone calcium, rapidly solidifies into shape.
The protective coating is essential for durability, ensuring each lipstick meets our high standards.
Inside this meticulously controlled drying tunnel, millions of freshly coated lipsticks travel along the rails. The
The fully automated process ensures millions of units are stacked and ready.
Inside this factory, millions of lipsticks are crafted. The secret to this flawless, luxurious texture lies in the use of animal bone calcium.
Temperature is holding steady.
Increase the blending speed slightly and check quality metrics on line 3.
Restart of production after sanitization. The robotic demolding arms ensure flawless extraction, rapidly transferring the newly formed lipsticks to the conveyor for the next stage.
The continuous drying system ensures a flawless finish as millions of coated lipsticks travel through the warm air tunnels.
Transporting finished pallets to the warehouse.
The inbound shipment from aisle 4 just updated.
Looks like we are fully stocked for the afternoon run.
A powerful convoy departs the distribution center, carrying millions of cosmetic products to markets across the globe.
As the finished lipsticks glide down the line, few consumers realize the meticulous process or the unique ingredients like animal.
This is the hidden beauty process inside the factory, making millions of lipsticks using animal bone calcium.
A marvel of modern manufacturing, where millions of lipsticks are crafted daily in this vast, sterile environment.
The consistency is perfect on these red samples.
Confirmed. The pass rate is 99%.
The resistance values are consistent across the last 5 samples.
Yes, and the firmness index is well within the acceptable parameters.
We're seeing excellent consistency on the new line.
99.8% approval right here. The laser markers are performing optimally.
The final stage of branding sees millions of these boxes rapidly moving through the presses, ensuring vibrant color and
Here, the robotic arms meticulously stack the grouped boxes into the shipping cartons, a seamless integration of precision engineering. The heavy-duty sealing machines fold the flaps and apply strong adhesive tape, ensuring the cartons are secure for shipment.
The seamless integration of automation allows us to maintain peak efficiency across all operations.
Pigments.